Don't eat another bite of barbecue this Eid. Unless you drink one of these first. Feeling heavy, bloated, or sleepy. Salted cumin and lime soda. Imli and fennel drink. Ginger and peppermint tea. Mint lemonade. Full recipes in upcoming videos. Mint lemonade. This is a staple across South Asia for a reason. With a glass of sparkling soda. Blend a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves are natural antispasmodics that relax digestive muscles. The juice of 1 lemon, while the fresh lemon juice stimulates bile flow to help break down rich, fatty meats. A pinch of black salt kala namak. Serve chilled. Ginger and peppermint tea. Heavy proteins like mutton and beef can cause bloating and sluggish digestion. Steep a few slices of fresh ginger and a handful of fresh peppermint leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, add a drop of honey, and sip slowly after your meal. A warm cup of herbal tea relaxes the digestive tract, speeds up stomach emptying, and reduces inflammation. Salted cumin and lime soda, the palate cleanser. Ingredients: 1 glass of chilled sparkling water or club soda. Juice of 1 fresh lime. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, a pinch of black salt. Cumin aids the secretion of digestive enzymes, and the fizz combined with citrus instantly cuts through fat. Tamarind and fennel, drink the bloat reliever. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp. 1 tablespoon fennel seeds soaked and crushed. 1 tablespoon jaggery or honey. 1½ cups water. Why it works? Tamarind is known to combat sluggish digestion, and fennel is a classic remedy for gas and acidity.